Okay, today I'm just going to be doing a battery repair for the iPhone 4. I think I started it last time. You would probably want a couple tools to help. As I said before, the volume vibration has to be set to mute. And you start up, stop slacking off. So what we would want to do is unscrew it. As it's pretty simple. You just stick the screwdriver in there. They have to be absolutely tiny as well. I'm using a T0.8. Oh god, that's tiny. Yeah, that Grandma Blair witching again. How is the screw wonky on this? Okay, I'm putting it in my iPad tray. And coming back to it, and screwing the other one. Because you will need to undo both screws just to get into the phone. It's not like one is a decoy. Okay, and with that you can just pop the cover back and off, and you're in. This phone is a lot cleaner, mainly due to it having a back. So that should plonk straight on because it's meant for it, and put the back somewhere that you'll remember it. Like for me, it's on top of the DVD drive, as you do. And now that I've got my hand sanitizer, which is cleaning alcohol, it should be alright. And just gonna squeeze a bit of that in between. If it actually wants to come out and not blow all over my face. Keyword if it wants to. Oh, I think that's why. Whoopsie daisy, forgot to take off the seal. Now, just put a bit along the edges. I don't have a heat plate, but this time you would actually want to take care of the battery, because if you're transferring it from a donor / dead device to an actual working one, you would want to have the device working so you can make the other one work. It's a lot of work's being thrown around in there, but it is what it is. And as with any protocol, you do want to unscrew the battery. I think that's a given. And actually have the screwdriver that works with it. Probably labeled them by now, so it is getting a bit annoying. This one should do. Oh. So I'll have it under the microscope. So right there. Perfect. Lighting's all bad again on this thing. Hold on. Hey, that's crispy. Alright, sweet. Now, just gonna unscrew that. Unscrewing actually involves unscrewing. Screwdriver. Yeah, so just undoing that. Nope, I'm not a very good cameraman, sorry about that. So now the hole should be all empty. Focus it again. Stupid thing. There we go. Put that in your iPad tray, preferably to a different side so you actually know what you're doing. Now that I presume the alcohol has gotten into there, you can use the plastic guitar pick, put the fat side so you don't bust all of it at once, and plonk doodle. One good swoop, it's out. You also want to detach the battery, and like an old Samsung. Oh no, not like an old Samsung. Ooh. Yeah, so with my alcohol, the battery came straight out, no questions asked, and we have this board I can use for other things now. So that's all good. Put that to the side, and you just want to clean off the alcohol. I'm not going to do anything serious with it. It's an old phone anyways, so should be no problems. Plug it back in. Oh, one thing you would want to do, my bad, I completely forgot, is get the adhesive tape, because you don't want the battery to be rattling around, because if you do sell it for whatever reason, you're selling such an old phone, you would want to make sure the person doesn't question your repairability ethics. So I would use one of these double-sided Express It tapes. I'm not sure if that's any good. It does work well. Not sponsored, because who will? Put that to the side. Just have High Sierra still installing away. It took 3 minutes to copy the files, and it's still installing. The USB smell like burning something though. That was a bit concerning. Thank you. And then with another tape just to make sure it covers the whole thing. Okay, so sorry if none of it's in the frame. Oof, all over the place today. Oh, don't want my tape. Sticking to something else. Hold on. Oh no, bit too much. All good. I probably should get scissors soon. Like, just nick it off my little brother or something, I don't know. Alright, perfect. Now that that budgie job has been done, can pluck it off. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna leave the video going, but I'm just gonna have to use my tweezers. Yep. And then move everything out of the way. And with the tape, just sort of peel it back while that stuff is fiddly. Start from the other end. Should be a lot easier. And it is. So like that. Peel back the tape. There you go. Then place the battery in it. Like that. You just want to plonk. There we go. That's not coming out. And so just place that down there. All good. You can see that's nice. Make sure, because I pre-charged the battery. Yep, there you go. Shows dead icon, but it does work. With that, the phone is most of the way there. Now it's just sort of buttoning it back together. So you want to make sure this is the Phillips. Where have I left those tweezers again? Where did I put them? Yep, there they are. So this is the sort of screw you would want to see going into the... Oh, yep, focusing. Great. Sort of screw, the one with the plus. Anyways, it's going to be a real fiddly job to get it back in there. It's worth it though. So this is the Phillips head. You would want to get a magnetized tip because it saves you a lot of trouble and possible mistakes. Anyways, nope. Holy damn. Having to grab the top of a tiny screw. Oh, you know, it magnetized to the tweezers instead. That's just what I want. Hold on. Oh my god. Ah. Yep, and in we go. Thank you. Nope, stay in there. No. I love how an iPhone battery is just tormenting me. No! At least I have a spare. Don't you dare do that again. Yep, okay. Okay, it's only moving around at 3,000 meters a second. That's great. I don't need to fall into the charging port. That's the last thing I eat. And I see you trying to turn off there. Well, at least that's an I guess. Now with the buttoning up of the phone, yep. For me, I'm gonna just grab it off the DVD drive as any divine and normal folk would, and we're just gonna plonk that down. Make sure it's in mute like it should be. Get the phone's back cover. Just gonna plonk it down. And swoop. Now what you want to do is get the two screws. These things there, they should be filled up with screws. And, okay. One screw in. At least they sit there, they don't try to jump off and send you chasing after it for 2 minutes. One screw in. So that's one of the screws done. And then the other one, drop in like that. A quick reminder, if you're trying to pinch screws off a 3GS or below, or the 3GS and the 3G, they don't have the same screws. They have Phillips head. I'm not sure how that will work. I'm going to do a bunch of, 4 of them. One's cleaning, one's looking inside it, cleaning the charge port and cleaning the charging port. So, I hope this has helped. I'm going to get the charge to show you if the device still works. Moment of truth as usual. So I'm going to plug that in right there and get the device. So you can see all the screws all connected and everything. I didn't really need the microscope today, but it's cool to have it up anyways. Moment of truth, does it work? Yes, it does. You can see the dead battery icon without the blinking charging port. So with that, that is a battery change done on an iPhone 4. I hope this has helped you, and subscribe if you want. I don't really care. Just if it helped, that's what matters to me. Goodbye. This has been S6 Edge 7 on my S6 Edge running Android 7, and I'll see ya. Goodbye.